welcome back to Biz Quiz. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to be doing another exciting set of words. Last time we talked about something in our videos called digraph. Digraph is what? What's digraph? That's right, thank you. Digraph is two letters coming together to make one sound. This sound today we are going to be working on is the sound O. O. The action is going like O. Grabbing your mouth and going O. O. Okay, ready? I'm going to show you how to write the letter O-A. O, start from the bottom, A. These are two letters that we're going to be working on today that make one sound, O. So these can be at the middle of the word, anywhere in your word, usually in the middle sounds. So they're not going to be doing the letter O, ah. No. These are two letters, O, A, come together to make one sound. The action is O. O. Ready? I have a whole bunch of words here I'm going to share with you guys. And let's see if you guys can find the digraph in these words. Words like, here we go, soap. Okay. We have another one, oak tree. See, this is at the beginning sound, oak tree. Okay, let's see, maybe they'll be at the end. Maybe they'll be at the beginning. Oh, I hope you guys can help me. Here's the word foam. My soap gives foam. Okay. Here, I like to eat this. Sometimes too much. Loaf of bread. Loaf. Here we go. I like to do this when it's summertime. I go into the desert for a picnic sometimes, or into the beach, or at the beach, I should say. And I like to roast marshmallows. That's making me hungry. I'm not very good at this though. I shoot a goal. If I'm playing a game. Okay. Here. Sometimes a truck driver will have a big, here. Oh, it's broken. My fingers are broken. Load. A truck driver will have a load of like rocks or dirt or something big like that. Here, I drive on the road. Okay. A miner will dig for coal. Okay. Go. Oh, this is me busy doing my homework, just like you guys. I download. Can you find the O sound there? Download some games and activities. Here. Oh, I don't like this. Don't tell anybody. Shh. I don't like these. Toad. Do you like toads? Yucky. But they're all creatures we have to like. I will go to the bank and get a loan. Okay, here we go. I will go outside and wear my coat if I am chilly or cold. Okay. Oh, I want to buy one of these and travel around the sea. What am I talking about? No, not a kayak. I want to buy a boat. you hear that? It's a goat. 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 Okay. Coach. Somebody who helps you referee at a game sometimes is called a coach. Coach. I used to have a soccer coach. Okay. If it's raining outside, I will get soaked if I don't put on my coat. Right? Here we go. Here. The truck is unloading. Loading his load. Load. Unloading. Here. I'm going to go here, sit there in the water. I'm going to go to the coast. 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 Okay. This is making me hungry. Toast. I like to eat toast. Toast. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is one of my favorite things when I'm sitting at home, all cold and snuggled in my bed. I think of cocoa. Who likes hot chocolate? Cocoa. I like hot chocolate. Here we go. I'm going to go in my tube and I'm going to float. 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 Okay, almost done. Oh, if Miss Leona drinks too much hot chocolate, I will bloat. Too much hot chocolate. Bloat. Or cookies. Look at he ate too much cookies. Oh, sometimes that's me.
Fellow.
Yeah. This one, last one, is my throat. 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 Thank you, guys. Can you grab a quick look at my table? See all of my old items? Okay, thank you guys for coming. Today's lesson was on digraphs. OA. Old. Not to be mixed up with the letter O-A. No. This one is O-A. 2 letters that come together to make one sound. O. Old. We're listening for old. Thank you guys for coming today. Have a great day. Bye.